Let's dive into what we have today. Trading secrets no one will tell you. Okay, trading secrets no one will tell you. Now, most people think this is I'll use a very funny term, which is fugas. They believe it's not real. There's no secrets in the financial markets. But truth is, there are a lot of things in the financial markets nobody wants to tell you. Okay, they don't want to tell you about it because they feel you might not find it well, or you might feel it's wrong. They don't have a very good perspective on it. But the truth is, I'll tell you those secrets in this webinar. I'll tell you those secrets in today's webinar. Good morning, I just trust you're doing good. So in today's webinar, we'll be sharing 5 trading secrets guaranteed to transform the way you think about the financial markets. What you learn basically an introduction to trading secrets. Okay, there's an introduction to trading secrets. The second thing we'll talk about is trading secrets. One, you don't need to be right all the time. I know it might sound funny if you feel you need to be right all the time to make money, but truth is you don't need to be right all the time. That's one secret. One secret. The second is you don't have to trade on your own. Now, most people tell you have to trade on your own to make money. It's another secret I'll be revealing to you, which is you don't have to trade on your own. Another secret is you can start with small capital. Most people think that you need big capital like a million naira, 1,000, 100,000 naira to start trading. No, not at all. You can start with as little as low 5k, 10k, 20k, and I'll tell you all of this. Okay. The fourth thing we're talking about is desperation doesn't mix with profitability. Most people used to tell you that if you are desperate, that's when you'll be able to make profit. Truth is, there is something behind that term which you need to understand, and I will tell you that in today's webinar. Trading secret number 5: green and red months, profitable months and non-profitable months. I'll explain the ideology behind it. Yes, I will do. It's very, very possible to trade the forex market without the news. Okay, very, very possible to trade without capitalizing on news. Very, very possible. Okay, then we'll go to conclusions. Okay, then we go to conclusions. Now, an introduction to trading secrets no one will ever tell you. There are certain parts in the financial markets people freely don't freely speak of or share with others. There are parts in the financial markets people will not freely talk about it. They don't want to share it with you. They believe if they share it with you, you'll be profitable like them. They believe if they share it with you, you'll start racking in funds like them. They believe if they share it with you, it might discourage you about the financial markets. The truth is, those are the secrets about the financial market. Most people don't share or discuss the not so pretty details of trading the forex futures or stocks market, especially if it messes with how you are going to view the financial market. That's why most people don't want to share it with you, because they feel it might discourage you. Basically, people who are trying to sell you expensive trading or investing systems, even some brokers, I'll be truthful with you, even some brokers or anyone that enjoys making money off other traders, they will not tell you these truths I want to tell you. They will be reluctant to tell you the truths I want to tell you in this webinar. That's why I want everybody to pay attention. Get your notes, get your notepad, get your pen, start taking notes, because I'm going to review a lot of things to you in this webinar. Now, let's talk about our belief. Now, our belief at Eagle Global Markets is very simple. We believe in educating every single one of our clients about the secrets of trading in the global financial market, as it will better equip you to take on the markets and trade successfully. See, there are some brokers that don't offer education at all. There are some brokers, they offer education once in a blue moon when they feel their clients are leaving them. But at Eagle Global Markets, educating our clients is our topmost priority. That is why we find joy in delivering educational content to you twice a week. Twice a week, which is Tuesday and Thursday. So I tell you guys, if you're on the Telegram channel or you are a client of ours and you are missing out on these webinars frequently, it's going to take a toll on your trading approach, because a lot is being shared in these webinars that helps you skill up and better yourself as a trader. We'll be sharing with you things no one will, I say it again, we will be sharing with you things no one will ever sit down to tell you about the markets. These are facts. Now, the truth is, I personally did this research myself. These are facts we've deduced through intense research. I've been able to go around, ask questions, do the research online, run polls about it. And I'll be sharing them with you in the hopes that it can help you better your own trading journey and make less hectic decisions. Okay. Your decisions about trading the financial market will be stress-free once you understand these things. Secret number one: you don't need to be right all the time. Okay. You don't need to be right all the time. I'll tell you the truth. You don't need to win every trade every single time. Now, it is perfectly natural to have a high number of winning trades. Okay, very, very natural. Apart from the fact that we make money from it, it gives us a sense of confidence that we are right about the market's direction. As much as the feeling is natural, it is not significant in determining your profitability. This is very, very true. And I'll break it down to you. You can win 10 trades and lose just one and still not be profitable. A lot of factors are attached to it. Some factors can be psychological factors, such as your emotions making you lose money on that, lose majority of your funds on that one single trade. The second factor could be your poor risk management. You see, being continuously correct and having a high percentage of winning trade is not necessary for making money consistently from the financial market. The idea of being right or wrong is a familiar one for most people. Now, let me tell you, let's go in depth into this. Let's go in depth into this. You see, there are different type of accuracy rates, okay, or profitability rates in the financial market. Some traders have 10% profitability rates. That means if they place 10 trades, the tendencies of them losing 9 is very high. The tendencies of them profiting from 1 is the least. Okay, they can lose 9 and they can win just 1. And with that approach, they can still come out profitable than somebody that has a 75% accuracy rate. The truth is, it all comes down to how they approach the market, their psychology about the market, the strategy they use towards approaching the market, the risk management model they bring towards the market. So imagine being wrong 9 times and winning just 1 time and still coming out as a top dog with profits in the financial market. You're a king. You understand what you're doing. You understand how you've been making money. You understand how to make money. So basically, you don't need to win every single trade you place. See, have a model you follow. I've said this multiple times. There are 28 major currency pair. Okay, I said currency pair, which is forex. Currency pair in the financial market. You don't need to trade all 28. Look for that 3 to 4 that you are comfortable with. Trade them religiously, that you understand the model, such that when they wake you up from your sleep, you can tell them this is where this financial instrument is going to, and that is where it will go to. I've shared my model with you guys multiple times, and I'll share it again, just to let you know the very, very good instance of not being right all the time. See, I only trade AUD USD, EUR USD, CAD JPY, and dollar DXY. Any day I trade a financial instrument apart from these 4 pairs, I lose money. Except when I'm trading US30, okay? I don't tend to lose money on US30 because US30 is one of those pairs I check whenever I don't see any trade setup on these 4 pairs I mentioned. See, anytime I trade any pair apart from those 4, I end up losing money. Even if I trade those 4 and I lose money, the tendencies of me recovering that money back that same week and closing with a bit of profit is very, very high. So the thing is, you don't need to be right all the time. I don't know how well I can stress on this. You don't need to win every single 10 trades you place. Be comfortable with losing 8 and winning 2 and still coming out with profits. Be comfortable with losing 5 and winning 5 and still breaking even on your trades. Be comfortable with the small wins you have and the lesser losses you get. It's all about having greater wins and lesser losses. Once you can master this approach of having higher trades that turn out in profit and losses that are minimal, you have an edge over the markets. You basically have an edge over the markets. Morning, Kelechi. Trust you're doing good. Okay, I'll drop the pairs in the chat box right now. I said AUD USD, EUR USD, CAD JPY, and DXY. That's what I trade. Now, the thing is, you don't have to trade the pairs that I trade. Just look for that 4 you are comfortable with. The reason I trade DXY is because of USD is the majority in most of the pairs I trade. So I use DXY to understand where dollar is going to. Then I relate it to those pairs I want to trade. So You don't need to trade the same pairs I trade. Look for those 4 you are going to see. I have a client of Equity Global Markets. He only trades NASDAQ and US 30, Dow Jones and NASDAQ. That's what he trades. And he makes money every single time from trading it. He doesn't trade any other thing else. And he always shares his profit on the Telegram channel. And he just trades one single approach. The single approach which I thought, profit cross strategy. Let's go to the second secret. Okay, the first secret, still on the first secret. A lot of times, see, we have an inherent need to be continuously right. And even when we are wrong, we most times try to rationalize why we make the wrong decision. Be comfortable with taking losses and moving on. See, once you focus on the losses you make in the financial markets, once you are focused on the losses you make in the financial markets, once you are focused on the losses you make in the financial markets, you will not be able to prepare well for the next trade. Take that loss and move on. Focus on recovering that loss on the next trade. Don't focus on why you lost that trade. Fine, journal the trade down, understand it. Don't let the reason you lost that trade happen again. Possibly you were too aggressive on it. Don't get aggressive on it anymore. Calm, chill, and place the right trade. You see, most traders and investors believe that they are right about a trade when they enter it and would likely think the analysis is right. See, once you understand the market is made up of probabilities. The market's all about probabilities. It's either it goes up or down. If you think it's going up, there's somebody somewhere that thinks it's going down. Do you think that person too believes it's wrong? No. Do you think you also that you say it will go up? Do you think you are wrong? No. And the truth is, the market can go up before coming down. The market can go down before going up. It still proves the two of you correct. Just that one person will lose money due to the fact that they will not be patient enough for that reason or for the criteria for them to enter that trade to add up. See, once you evolve when you trade, you will understand that you don't want to be right. You just want to be profitable on that trade. Being profitable on a trade means you are right, yes. But being right on a trade is different where you expect price to just go your direction. No, not at all. So believing you are right about trades and always expecting it to win is synonymous to setting ourselves up. See, once you understand that your analysis plays out 90% of the time and you start expecting all your analysis to play out, you are getting into a loophole where you now start losing money because you are too confident of that trade. Never be too confident of a trade. Understand that the market gives and takes. Brilliant. This is not a realistic expectation because the fact that we undoubtedly lose some trades, and it's best to prepare our mind for the losses ahead to avoid getting emotional when such happens. See, you are in no challenge. You are in no challenge at all with anybody but yourself in the financial markets. Once you understand you are in no challenge at all with anybody but just yourself in the financial markets, just yourself, you are in a challenge with yourself when it comes to trading. The way you approach price or the way you approach the market is how you curb your habits in the financial markets. Someone dropped a question in the chat box. Okay, I already repeated those pairs, no problem at all. Now, secret number 2, you don't have to trade on your own. Now, I see a lot of people force themselves to learn how to trade, they just force themselves to learn how to trade. But the truth is, you don't need to trade yourself. You can learn how to trade, fine, but still that doesn't mean you need to trade yourself. There are products out there that will help you. Let's dive right into the notes. Another misconception is that all traders are left to their own accord and they have to do all the trading themselves. It's a lie. It's a lie. See, it is recommended you learn how to trade on your own so as to better understand the markets and take responsibilities for your action. But in the event where learning how to trade is difficult for you, you can always seek help and support from experts. You can always come to my inbox on Telegram to seek help from me. You can always drop messages on the Telegram group to seek help from your colleagues who are traders there. Or you can even use our copy trading platform if you feel, okay, it's too difficult for you to learn how to trade. And while you continue learning how to trade, the copy trading platform helps you trade and you something is within 3 months you can make 100% of your capital back. Ajos can prove that, Kelechi can prove that also, because they've used the copy trading platform before and they've seen the accuracy that comes with it. So basically, We have a Telegram community of traders where you can get and share trade ideas, ask questions, understand how other traders feel about the market, and use this to take effect on your own trading action. In addition, we have the copy trading platform and the signal service. Yes, we offer you signals also. In your email every single day, 1 o'clock, you get a signal from us where we provide it to both new and experienced traders. New traders, I have a video on YouTube that walks you through how to use the signal. You can go and watch it. Experienced traders will know how to approach my signals. Secret number 3, you can start with small capital. Now, many beginners believe that they will have to quit their day jobs and invest thousands of dollars in an extreme trading rig just to get started. This is completely false. I'm a full-time trader. I also work at Eagle Global Markets as a financial analyst and an educator. Because I'm a full-time trader doesn't mean I need to quit my job as a financial analyst. I know somebody might say it's still the same line of work, so it doesn't matter, it doesn't this, it doesn't. The truth is, it doesn't even matter to you also. If you're a doctor, lawyer, teacher, plumber, tailor, vendor, whatever it is you do, you don't have to quit your job to trade. See, trading, you just need to dedicate 1 to 2 hours a day to trade. You just need to dedicate 1 to 2 hours a day to trade, and you don't need to break the bank to start trading. No, you don't need to carry gun and wear a ski mask. Not at all. You can start trading with as little as 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira in the financial markets, and trade it religiously to scale your account, and you see results amazingly. In fact, we would argue and say that you should start small. That's the truth. Start small. Do not quit your job. Never quit your job. I beg of you, never quit your job until you're 100% sure you can live off trading. And do not invest in new strengths and expensive trading software until you know you need it. Now, this is one mistake I made in my early stage, 3 to 4 years ago when I started trading. I always saw traders on Instagram using 3 screens, 4 screens, 5 screens to trade the markets, and I only had a laptop, a very, very bad laptop then. Okay, so I wanted to buy a new laptop and a new screen, but I didn't have money. So I started trading aggressively. I lost all my capital. Then I had to start from the scratch again. So see, you don't need a big screen. You just need, even your mobile phone can make you become very, very profitable. That small screen, that phone you're pressing, you can make a huge ton of money just from using it to analyze the market and make money. Have a decent laptop, a decent phone. Even with my phone has a cracked screen, I still trade on my phone. I still analyze when I'm far from home with my phone and make money from the financial market. Have a life funded account and a little bit of spare time. Like I said, 1 to 2 hours a day is all you need to get started. Then you can, of course, continue building on that foundation. You can now make a lot of money and decide you need a big screen, a bigger laptop, you need a MacBook and all. DXY means dollar, okay? Dollar, that's what it means, dollar index. So that's just it. You don't need to start with big capital. No, not at all. Don't break the bank. Start small. That's how you scale. If you can practice the profit growth strategy I've been teaching all this while, I've been making mention of all this while. If you can practice it religiously for 2 good months and start applying it on your live account. See, within 3 months, you can be able to make 500% of your trading balance if you follow the rule of 6% daily that I taught. Trading secret number 4, desperation don't mix with profitability. Wow, this is one part of trading that I see a lot of traders fall under. Okay, see, the best explanation as to why many traders and investors lose money over the long run in the financial market is desperation. The more desperate traders get into the financial market, the more they are reckless with their trading plan. See, if you are very desperate on making profit or doubling your money, okay, doubling your money like or whatever it is they call it, if you are very desperate, you end up losing money. I say something. If you are focused on the process of trading, progress will come. Progress is the result. Progress is the profits. Once you are focused on the process of understanding how to trade, progress will come. Progress is the profits and the reward. You see, one fact you need to understand early as a trader is that If you ever lose money in the financial market, it is your fault. It is solely and entirely your fault. It is not because of one news went the other way. It is not because of anything. If any news went the other way, why did you not use stop loss? If you were in profits before, you ended up in loss, why did you not lock in your profits? There's always an option. There's always an option. There's always an option for you as a trader, no matter the scenario. Imagine a trader losing $10,000 capital. How come? He's not managing risks the right way. He's not using stop loss. He's just using any lot size that he likes. It is very, very wrong. See, also, I said this thing earlier. Your competition in the trading arena is you and your mentality, nothing else. If you have a poor psychology about trading, if you have a poor risk management about trading, it's not because of anybody, it's because of you. Because all this material to have right risk management plan, to have all of these things are available, but you're not putting them into use. Even I have a friend, he has a note where his risk management plan, his risk management model is, he still loses money. I told him, okay, you cannot be checking the notes every time. Print it out, paste it on your trading edge. Okay, he has a part of his room where he has his trading station and all, 2 big screens, 1 laptop. I told him to paste it there on that board so he can see it anytime he wants to trade. He still did it. He still lost capital. Now, even though the rules are in his front, why is he losing capital? It's because of him, himself. That's why he's losing capital. Why? Because he's not paying attention to the rule. He doesn't want to follow the rule. Imagine when you understand that the financial market, just forex alone, is $6.6 trillion, and you can take any amount you want from it, but you are too greedy. You want to make $500,000 in a day with how much? $10,000 capital. It's not done that way. Don't be desperate. See, I said something the last time. I'll say it again. $1 a day keeps SACPA away. SACPA is a term that trends. We've done a lot of content on that on our Instagram page. You can go and check it out. SACPA means brokenness. Okay? $1 a day will keep brokenness away. If you understand how to make $1 every single day consistently from the market, $1 now in black market is $5.50. Okay? Black market is $5.50. If you can understand how to make $1 every day, see, if you can do it consistently for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, on the 4th month, you will know how to make $5, $10, $100 consistently every day. Because you've put in the work, you've practiced this, you've seen results, you've seen it multiply, you've seen it unfold over and over and over again. So $1 a day keeps SACPA away. See, making $1 is not being desperate. It's being conservative, understanding the market. It's understanding that you want to scale your trading account, not you want to blow your trading account. If you have a Naira account using Cloud Trade platform, plan on making 1,000 Naira a day. 1,000 Naira is just like 10 points. You can catch, see, anybody can catch 10 points in the financial market. No jokes at all. Anybody, even a 10-year-old boy that you explain forex to, can catch 10 points in the market. Once you understand how to make that one every single day, every single day, you see your account scale. But no, we are engrossed in big results. We want to, yes, it's very easy to get rich off trading the financial markets, but have a plan, have a goal, have a structure towards it. You see, most people begin trading the financial markets because they are trying to find the easy way out. But the truth is, when you come with that mindset to start trading the financial markets, it will not be the easy way out. It will be a deeper way in, because you lose money multiple times. And that's when you start seeing people say trading the global financial market is a scam. It's never a scam. You are the scam, because you don't want to play by the rules. You want to play by your own rules, and it's not possible. Imagine going to a football pitch and saying, no, you want to use your hands to start playing the football. It's called football. Foot, your legs. That's what you used to play. Okay? You people think trading is an easy way to make money and live in a dream world. Yes, trading is an easy way to make money when you learn the rules. Trading will make life easy for you when you play by the rules. However, trading is not really complex. Truth be told, if trading is complex, when you are learning trading and it starts getting complex, know that something is happening, something is wrong. It just takes focus and discipline, both mentally and emotionally. Period on that. It just takes discipline and you being emotionally ready and mentally ready for it. Now, for the last trading secret about green and red months, okay? Here is the thing. Here is the most amazing thing. You see, the forex market is very, very volatile. The volatility can change at any point in time. There are some months with strong and precise price action, while there are some months where the price action moves sideways, leaving unreadable price actions. Like during summer, everybody saw what happened during summer. Like the financial market was difficult to read. I lost. Now the truth is, I lost more money when I trade during summer than when I trade during any other period. Okay, but this summer was not like that. I had losses, yes, but I was able to close my overall trading account by 2%. Now 2% is some dope stuff. Some dope stuff if you know how much your trading balance is. Okay, so just imagine how much my trading balance would be, and imagine closing on 2% profits during the whole of summer. That is escape from Tokyo. Okay, just escaping with a bit of my whole body. Okay, so see, as forex traders or as financial markets traders, if you cannot filter out which months you were more profitable on and which months you had losses on, see, it's going to affect you. So also, you cannot also filter it out because the financial market is forever changing. All you can do is through every month as normal and executing trade opportunities when it presents according to your trade plan while prioritizing risk management or managing risk. Once you follow your rules, okay? Once you follow your rules, your trading rules, this is what I only trade: BMS, SMS, RTU. I only trade BMS, SMS, RTU. I only trade BMS, SMS, RTU. Then somebody now called you on the phone. I've seen break retest and entry. You not trade break retest and entry because you feel your guy knows better than you. You not trade and you lose money. You not say the market is against you. No, the market is not against you. What you know how to trade, you did not trade it. Somebody that only trades bull flag and bear flags now saw head and shoulder pattern, now decides to trade it. Do you think he'll be profitable of the trade? Chances of him losing money on that trade is 100%. 100%. Because that is not what he or she is used to. That's not what he or she is used to when trading the global financial markets. Now, conclusion. You see, I'll tell you one last secret apart from all those secrets, which is the big secret that differentiates successful traders from losing traders. Traders who are always looking for trading secrets, shortcuts, and get rich quick scheme is the way they act and they manage their trading activities. See, a consistently profitable trader, a trader that trades big funds, a trader that has everything he wants, is not that trader you see on social media. It's not that trader you see flexing life real hard. Okay? There are two types of traders. We have the swagger traders and the real traders. Okay? The swagger traders are those traders that teach people how to trade. They make money off teaching people how to trade. They don't trade. They will just show you one demo account and you believe it's real accounts, and they'll show you that as their trading account. Real traders will not even bother to teach you. They don't want you to know how to trade. They'll tell you it's a scam. Don't do it. Don't do it, Joe. Don't do it. It's a scam. Because of they know if they teach you how to trade and you start making profits or you start seeing how the process is, you start disturbing them. So the way they act is different and the way they manage their trading activity is different. That's why 99% of people who come to trading into the financial markets tend to lose their capital. And truth be told, everybody on the Telegram group are part of the 1%. Are part of the 1%. That is why I take out time every single day, every single hour to drop ideas on the Telegram channel, to come on here and teach you guys, enlighten you guys how to be more of that 1%, how to make profits as the 1% would make profits. So I hope this gives you an idea into the right things you need to start doing in the global financial markets. We've come to the end of today's session. But before we go, like I said, I promise you guys, I will always. Kelechi, do you mind dropping the link in the chat box? Thank you. I said I always promise you guys a price action analysis every single day, every single time we have a webinar. So let's have our price action analysis today. Okay, so we'll review what we did the last time. We'll review the price action analysis for the last time, and we will do one